Today we're exploring a powerful feature, requesting documents directly from team members, clients, or anyone outside your RecordsKeeper.AI account. Whether you need an employee's appraisal letter, client documents, or family records, this feature eliminates constant follow-ups and creates an accountability trail. To get started, log into your RecordsKeeper.AI dashboard. Navigate to Records and Files from the left-hand menu. And then click File Request. Here, you'll see your request history, including status, urgency levels, uploaded files, and timestamps. Everything is tracked for complete transparency. To create a new request, click New Quest and fill in the form with the following details. Document name, be specific, like Jessica's appraisal letter. Urgency level, set the priority as high, medium, or low. Message, for example, please share Jessica's appraisal letter, AS, email address, enter the recipient's email. This is required. CC, optional field to keep stakeholders in the loop. The WhatsApp, optional field to notify via WhatsApp. Include country code. Once everything is filled in, hit send request and you're done. The recipient will receive a secure link to upload documents directly via email. Here are the benefits. No more constant reminders, an automatic accountability trail, and documents go straight into your organized system, perfect for compliance tracking. Your dashboard shows real-time status updates as recipients upload files. It's that simple. In the next video, we'll show how recipients can easily respond to your requests. Thanks for watching.